What is Web3, the next iteration of the World Wide Web? Web3 is also known as Web 3.0 and sometimes stylized as Web3. It's an idea for a new iteration of the World Wide Web based on the blockchain, which incorporates concepts including decentralization and token-based economics. Before I lose you along the way, let me explain in brief. The experts have divided the evolution of the internet into three distinct phases, namely 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. We are currently in the gateway between 2.0 and Web 3.0, where both exist but they are moving forward. Web 3 will be the prominent version of the World Wide Web, and it is expected to have more features that will benefit the users even more. Before we get into this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you will be informed every time we upload new videos. Web 3 is a decentralized web driven by peer-to-peer servers that are built on the blockchain. Key features of Web 3 include semantic web, artificial intelligence, and a virtual reality world. Furthermore, Web 3 is known as the foundation for cryptocurrency, NFTs, and many more decentralized applications or dApps. Unlike Web 2 that runs servers on multiple centralized servers, Web 3 instead runs on blockchains. To further understand Web 3 and how it came to be, we need to have a better understanding of both Web 1 and Web 2. Let's look at the evolution of the internet over the years. Web 1 is also referred to as the static web and was launched in the year 1989. Where were you then? It was referred to as the first iteration of the web. It improved the lives of the people at the time, making it possible for people to send and receive emails instantly. It greatly improved communication among the people. The problem with Web 1.0 was that users were only consumers of the information provided and were unable to interact with it on a meaningful level. Web 1.0 lasted approximately from 1989 until 2005. Web 2.0 came after Web 1.0, being an upgrade of the latter. It brought a whole new internet experience to the users, and Web 2.0, also called the social web because it allows users to create and consume various forms of content, as well as interact with and communicate with others. It was during Web 2.0 when monetization was introduced and people began to make money from their content through ads and selling goods and services. A good example of Web 2.0 is the social networks and blogs. Web 2.0 is still in use in the world, and people began to communicate and continue with their transition to Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is the newest internet technology on offer, and it was first introduced by Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood in 2014. It refers to the latest iteration of the internet that incorporates new technologies such as blockchain, which is a foundation for NFTs, DAOs, and cryptocurrency, which has become synonymous with the term decentralization. In essence, data and content ownership are all monopolized and centralized by a number of people as opposed to a single large corporation. Web 3.0 promises a safer internet with less threat of malicious attacks, as well as a verifiable and transparent internet that is completely immersive and gives the power back to the people. In short, Web 3 is a decentralized version of Web 2. While Web 2 runs servers on multiple centralized servers, Web 3 instead runs on blockchains that are driven by peer-to-peer nodes, or servers. Let's see how Web 3.0 works. Web 3 apps are either built on blockchains, decentralized networks, or numerous peer-to-peer nodes or servers, or a hybrid of the two that create a crypto-economic protocol. These programs are commonly referred to as decentralized apps or dApps. On the surface level, Web 3 will not change much for the average user experience. Most of the functionality change will be behind the scenes. Web 3 aims to be a decentralized version of Web 2. Though Web 3, users will be in control of their data, identity, and their digital assets, which are recorded for the public to see on the blockchain. Building the internet on the blockchain means that there is no single entity in control of the Web 3 app. These apps are identified as decentralized apps or dApps. The way websites and apps work today is through their servers. Information goes to the server and it flows out of the server. Your action online gets a response, and everything happens in between is all the platform provider knows. The security protocols in place, the privacy protection measures, and other actions on data are often unknown to the user. This is one of the reasons for Web 3's existence. The way Web 3 changes this protocol is through blockchain, which is a digital and distributed ledger system wherein all the participating systems act as a node. In simple words, it's a way of recording information which uses a network of computers instead of a single computer. This makes it very difficult, if not impossible, to hack or cheat the system. Thanks to the existence of the network of computers, Web 3 does not rely on centralized servers to work. For example, when using Web 3, you are able to send a message to your friend without your messages flowing through the app's servers. Similarly, You can send and receive money and digital assets without a single centralized server watching your every move. Web 3.0 is the best thing that has ever happened to us. I'm already excited because I know the more technology we'll come up with, it'll improve our lives significantly. The future is so bright to the point that it blinds our eyes. To get such content, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click on the bell notification button so that you get informed every time we upload new videos.